Georgia, East Central Cobb County in North Central Georgia, West Central Gwinnett County in North Central Georgia, Northeastern Fulton County in North Central Georgia, until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday. At 6:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, gauge reports indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly, including areas along Crooked Creek. Some locations that will experience flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Decatur, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Duluth, Suwanee, Chamblee, Norcross, Dorville, Clarkston, Avondale Estates, Berkeley Lake, Tucker, Belvedere Park, and North Decatur. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Greenville-Spartanburg. Tornado warning for. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA weather radio station KAC.
What?
At weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings.
I don't know what that was all about.
At 6 a.m. in Atlanta, a thunderstorm was reported.
It just...
63 degrees.
What?
2.60. Relative humidity.
Well, that's not gonna turn off now.
Wind south at 13 miles an hour. And Sunday pressure was 29.57 inches and falling.
Huh.
The National
Just turned on my handheld and...
has issued a flash flood warning for
But this is for me.
northwestern DeKalb County in
Anyways, I'll
North
see you
Central
guys later.
Georgia, East
Bye.
Central Cobb County.